In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 10Web AI Website Builder 2025 step by step. First, head to 10web.io. On the homepage, click Get Started for free. You can sign up with your email or continue with Google, then log in to reach your dashboard. That's home base for everything you're about to build. From the dashboard, choose Create a new website with AI. You'll be asked to pick a site type. If you just need pages that present information like services, about, and contact, select Informational Website. If you plan to sell products with a cart and checkout, choose Online Store, then click Next. Next, add your business details. Select the category that best matches your industry, type your business name, and provide a short description, or answer the prompts the AI gives you. Keep it specific: who you serve, what you offer, and what makes you different. Choose your language and any style or tone preferences so the AI can match your brand. When you're happy, click Next or Finalize. The builder will use this information to generate your site's text, layout, and visuals. Now let the AI do the heavy lifting. It will assemble pages, sections, and images based on your inputs. This can take a few minutes, so give it time. When it's finished, you'll see a congrats message. Click Preview and Edit to open the 10Web Builder, which is based on Elementor. Here you can tweak colors and fonts, rewrite headlines and paragraphs, adjust layouts, and swap images. It's all drag and drop, and changes update in real time. Use the device preview to check desktop, tablet, and mobile. And remember, you can undo or redo as you experiment. If you need more pages, open the AI Builder and choose Add Page. You can generate with AI by describing the page you want. Use AI Recreation to convert an existing URL into your design system, or start with a blank page. Add a clear title and a brief description. Click Generate. Then select View and Edit to customize the result. To finalize your site, connect your custom domain so visitors can reach your brand at your chosen address. Set up hosting. 10Web includes hosting, so you can keep everything in one place. Enable SSL to secure your site with a free certificate, and when you're ready, publish so the site goes live. After publishing, visit your pages in a private browser window and test forms and links. That's it. You've built and launched a website with 10Web's AI quickly, cleanly, and with plenty of room to grow.